Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Charge both AirPods and bring the case near your iPhone. Once detected, tap the AirPods name in Settings Bluetooth to pair. Make sure firmware is current. Updates enable touch features and stability. After pairing, open the AirPods entry in Bluetooth to confirm model and controls. Now you're ready to enable and test touch controls directly. Don't skip the firmware check, because it's required for full gesture support and reliable performance. You'll now assign actions to each side, so touch does exactly what you need. In Bluetooth, tap the AirPods name, then configure left and right touch to play, skip, or summon Siri. Once done, test a single, double, and long touch so you feel timing and pressure. If you want custom actions, use shortcuts or accessibility to map gestures to workflows. This explains why some apps respond differently. Make adjustments until response timing and functions match your everyday use. Finish by using the touch controls across calls, music, and navigation to lock in muscle memory. Once done, make sure sensitivity and assigned actions work under real conditions, like pockets or wind. If controls feel laggy, restart the AirPods in your phone and check for software updates. This simple step often fixes misbehavior. If issues persist, reset the AirPods by holding the case button, forget the device in Bluetooth, and repair. That reset usually clears stubborn calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.